just finished my workout. My asthma is acting up today. It didn't go very well, and I wasn't feeling it. I only ran 3 miles, but I guess 3 is better than nothing, because I didn't want to get up at all. So I'll take it. Good morning, Vlogmas day 19. It's been an adventure, guys. Anyway, I have work, of course. I have 2 more days till the weekend. On my lunch break, going to deliver some Christmas cookies to some people that help us out all the time, and they deserve it. Then I head back to work. I'm so far behind. I don't know if I'm ever gonna get caught up. Don't worry. I got the finest dining establishment in Audubon, as per Ryan, for lunch. Gotta love me some Subway.
If you haven't seen them yet, these are the movies to watch. The Mad Max anthology. I just got done watching the first one. We watched Fury Road, the None of Our Ugly Sweater Parties, so got me inspired to watch all of them, if I can. On to The Road Warrior.
Alright, just had dinner. It was fun. I got to hang out with the clinic people outside of work. That's always kind of fun. Sad that my buddy's leaving, but it is what it is. I'm really happy for her, though. I think she'll be way happier doing what she's gonna do. Now I'm gonna head home, relax for a tiny bit, and then go to bed, and then do it all over again. Yay. What are you doing?
Where'd Remy go?
Remy, what are you doing? Hey, that's not nice. Oh, Remy's back in the bag. Don't worry, Remy is still in the bag. Remy. Remy. Are you ignoring me? Remy. You're side glancing at me. I see it. You're side glancing at me. Hi. Are you afraid you move? I'll see you. I already know where you are. Your tail just moved. Remy. Look who's hanging out. Hi, Addie girl.
This is not a Christmas.
That's okay. What are we watching?
Mad Max. We should be watching The Road Warrior, like I said in my thing.
No, we're gonna watch The Internship.
Why?
Because I want to laugh. And it's funny.
Yeah. Wow, we're gonna watch Owen Wilson. Vince Vaughn, who's never slept. What?
Potter Advent Calendar, day 20. Nearly headless Nick. Nearly headless. His head's not cut off though. It's very attached. So my Secret Santa got me a Disney color book. It's pretty awesome. And then also a Harry Potter one. I think they have me pinned down. We got these, show the box. We got these Harry Potter vinyl figures. They're random. We already have Mr. Victor Crumb.
There's a 1 in 6 chance for him, by the way.
Oh, that's more than 6 there.
Yeah, but there's like a 1 in 36 here for, I assume, Draco.
Oh, it says?
1 in 36 for, yeah, Dolores Umbridge.
Jeez. Okay, well, let's see who we got. Victor Crumb, isn't it?
Is this Voldemort, since it's a black bag? I don't think it's Crumb.
Okay.
I feel a pair of glasses.
Harry Potter?
Yeah, more than likely. Yep.
Awesome. He's cute. He's in his little Quidditch robes.
That's probably the only one. Yes.
Pressure's on. I'm a little nervous.
Wow, a black bag.
I think it's Fleur.
Wow.
Yeah!
I think she is better than 1 in 6. Nope, she is a 1 in 6. Here's your odds, everybody. So the next box we get, we're more likely to already get one we already own.
Is there a Cedric?
The Entertainer, or?
No, Cedric Diggory.
Maybe he's that one right there.
Because look, we already have 3.
Yeah, I assume that's Cedric
Look,
right there.
We
Because you already have 3 of the Goblet of Fire containers. Triwizard turn. Yeah.
Look.
I'm looking at the box here. Look at those cool
Victor
dudes.
Crumb, Harry Potter,
What's so cool?
Fleur de la Cour.
Cool.
They're cool. I like them. They're so cute.
Mm-hmm.
We need more.
They're so cool.
Can you buy me some more?
I think you should just buy the individual ones. That way you don't just buy a bunch
But I
of
don't
random
think you
ones.
can buy this size individual.
I'm sure you can. I'm sure people are like, hey, I'm selling my Harry Potter things.
Look at their little heads even though.
That way you don't get a bunch of duplicates.
Well, we haven't yet.
Because people don't really trade these.
Did a little coloring tonight.
Sometimes the long shots
Looks just like the picture.
Enjoy your pudding. I will.
Ryan's being lame.
Oh,
so I
exciting?
guess he's playing his computer.
Not for nothing.
Playing some
Can't
Diablo
help me
2.
not to like you.
I was going to be playing online with my brother at some point, but every time doesn't happen often, but when I am free, my brother's not, so I'm just building my character to help him out.
I got this. Yeah.
End of Vlogmas Day 19.
I know we have more subscribers than there are days. That's a good thing.
That is a good thing. We haven't had any subscribers today.
No. Shout out to who gave me the cookies earlier. I don't want to say your name or say the name incorrectly in case it was someone else, but I think I know who you are. I believe you're a 7th grader. And yeah, I won't say names, but thank you. I appreciate that.
Shout out to my Secret Santa, who's pretty awesome. I'll find out who you are tomorrow.
It's probably Santa, like it always is.
You probably don't watch these videos.
Well, Santa might not watch these videos. He probably doesn't get internet at the North Pole very well.
No.
I assume the service up there is pretty awful.
Probably.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, we're finishing up the internship.
Yeah.
My choice.
Yeah, it's an okay. Just put something on movie.
It's funny.
It's fine. Like The Intern, that's another one that I actually like. The Intern for
The
like
Intern, is that the one with?
That's Robert De Niro and
yeah,
Anne Hathaway.
That's
Yeah,
a good one too.
yeah, for that genre of movie, like that's good.
You should check that out. That one is good.
It's a good one for that genre.
I like Internship. It's funny. It has Vince
Yeah,
Vaughn.
it's fine.
And Owen Wilson.
Yeah, you nailed it there.
I know. All right, it's been a.
It's been a day.
Fun day.
Mhm.
Well,
All right.
See you tomorrow.
You'll see us tomorrow, but hopefully, I say that all the time.
Yeah.
Maybe we'll see you tomorrow.
Okay.
Have a good night.
All right.